This is Alan from Sourcing Boss China. I'm glad to be in Dhaka in this exhibition. I think in my first impression of this country is a promising, full of hopes country. So this is actually my fifth times that I've been to Dhaka. So I've been to many exhibitions all around the world, but right here I see a lot of people with enthusiasm and a positive attitude towards the bigger picture of the peaceful world. So my company, ROMO Guancheng Trims, is a manufacturing company of trims and yarns. And we produce a lot of different yarns and garment accessories. As you can see here, we have all different kinds of products showcase here. We have cooperated with many different world-known brands such as H&M, Hoplon, and etc. So I'm very excited to see more customers, more people, more related professionals in this industry come and meet us in this booth, and we'll have a very productive conversation here, and hopefully we can achieve something bigger and better.